In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the IDM extension in the Opera browser, step by step, so you can start using Internet Download Manager with Opera in just a few minutes. This is a really useful setup if you want faster, more reliable downloads and easier control over files right inside your browser. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. In the address bar, go to internetmanager.com and look for the option that says Try IDM for 30 days. Click that to download the trial version. Once the file finishes downloading, install and open the IDM application on your device. After IDM opens, look at the top menu and go to Downloading, then select Options. This is where you need to check the browser integration settings. Inside the Options window, make sure Opera is enabled. If Opera is not checked, IDM will not connect properly with the browser, so this step is important. Once Opera is enabled, go back to the website where you downloaded IDM and scroll down to the page until you find the IDM extension for Chrome. Even though it says Chrome, you can still use this extension in Opera because Opera supports Chrome extensions. Click on the extension link and a new window will open. In that new page, you'll see an Add to Opera button. Click that button to install the extension. Opera will then ask you to confirm the installation, so approve it and let the extension be added to your browser. After it installs, you should be able to access the IDM extension from the extensions panel in Opera. That means IDM is now connected and ready to help you capture downloads more smoothly. If you don't see it right away, just open the extensions area and make sure it is pinned or enabled. And that's it. You've successfully added the IDM extension in Opera browser. If this video helped, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials.